In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print PowerPoint notes in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student preparing for a presentation, a professional gearing up for that big meeting, or simply someone who wants to have their notes handy while presenting, this guide will take you through the steps to get your notes out of your computer and into your hands quickly and efficiently. The first thing you need to do is open up Microsoft PowerPoint. This might seem like an obvious step, but it's where everything begins. Launch PowerPoint from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar, depending on how you've got your computer set up. Once PowerPoint is open, you'll find yourself at the opening screen. This is where all your most recent files are displayed, making it easy to find the presentation you're working on. Navigate through this screen and open up the file you need to print notes from. If your file isn't listed there, don't worry, just click on Open Other Presentations to find it on your computer. After you've got your file open, it's time to dive into the printing setup. Look towards the top left corner of your screen and click on File. This takes you to a new screen with a list of options on the left hand side. From this list, you're going to want to select Print. Clicking on Print will automatically take you to the printing options and previews. Now this is where we start getting into the specifics of printing notes. By default, PowerPoint sets your print layout to full page slides, which means it will print each slide on a full page. But since we're focused on printing the notes, you'll need to change this setting. Look for a button or drop-down menu labelled Full Page Slides. It's usually located right under the printer selection or in the middle of the screen. Once you find it, click on it to reveal other printing options. Among these options, you're looking for one that says Notes Pages. Select Notes Pages to tell PowerPoint that you want to print your notes along with the slides. This option prints one slide per page accompanied by the notes you've added for each slide. It's an excellent way for presenters to keep track of what they want to say during their presentation without filling their slides with too much text. Now that you've got everything set up just the way you need it, it's time to print. Simply click on the Print button to start the printing process. Depending on your printer, you might see a dialog box pop up with additional settings or a progress indicator. Make sure your printer is turned on, loaded with paper, and ready to go before you click Print. Here are some final tips to make sure you get the best out of your notes. First, if you're printing a lot of slides, consider using double-sided printing to save paper. Second, if your notes are detailed, you might want to increase the size of the notes area before printing. You can do this by adjusting the Notes Master in the View tab before starting the print process. And that's it. You've successfully printed your PowerPoint notes. With this step-by-step guide, you've learned how to prepare your document and utilize the printing options within PowerPoint to get your notes printed alongside your slides. This method is invaluable for anyone looking to have a clear, concise guide during their presentation or for study purposes. Now you're all set to deliver your presentation with confidence, knowing you've got all your key points and notes right at your fingertips. Remember, mastering PowerPoint's various features can make your life a lot easier, whether you're presenting in a classroom, a boardroom, or even remotely. Don't hesitate to explore more of what PowerPoint can offer beyond what we've covered today. I hope this tutorial was helpful and you feel more prepared for your next presentation. Keep practicing, explore new features, and you'll become a PowerPoint expert in no time. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.